Hi there and welcome to Reacting with Petra. I'm Petra, I'm from Sweden, and today I will be reacting to Kaycee Rice Choreography Train Wreck. I'm sorry for that, I'm going to turn the sound over my phone. Train Wreck, and I haven't watched Kaycee Rice in a while, and this is her choreography, and the video is about 12 minutes long, which is a little bit longer than I usually go for, but I'm going to do my best. Dance is always pretty fun to watch. I don't know why it's so long, if it's a lot of different people or the song is very long or you can see her choreograph. I have no clue. We're gonna see. I'll leave the link to the original. I'm sorry, I just cried from my last reaction. So I am, sometimes my camera shuts off if I film for too long. I just cried on my other reaction and I try to not let it affect me. I'll leave a link to the original video in the description box, as well as the link to Petra's Playground where I do Vlogmas this year. Please follow us there, but let's go.
It's been a while since class has felt like class, right? You know, the past couple years it's been like a slow get there, and I feel like we're still at like 99%. Yeah, we're not all the way back to where we were, but just think about like where we were last year, right? And now we have like this space, we have so many more people.
I love this.
People from all over the world like coming in, so it's really beautiful that dance is still bringing us together even after the hardships that we went through. As I said in the beginning of class, for me this piece is about any type of struggle with stress or anxiety, and it's difficult like when we feel like we have no one else to reach out to for it and we feel like we're alone. And I think that's where the beginning of this comes in, is we're sitting down because we feel so alone, like we're in our room like by ourselves, like
this is so interesting.
Yeah, I've had moments where like I would just shake which is the scariest feeling ever, and it's because I get anxious and I get stressed out and I overthink so much, and I think, oh, nobody else knows what this feels like, but in reality everyone does.
I love to hear the background of the dance.
Laying in the silence, waiting for the sirens, signs, any signs I'm alive still. I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? Should I pray? Yeah. To myself, to a God, to a Savior.
Wow.
Who can break the broken? I said these spoken words, find hope in the hopeless. Pull me out.
Oh, the shield.
Unburn the ashes. I'll check the reactions out.
Oh, she's so good.
Pull me
Damn.
out.
Oh my God.
Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. You can say what you like, don't see I wanna die for you.
Ah, this is so
I'm
good.
down on my knees and I need you to be my God, be my help, be a savior. God, unbreak the broken. I said this reckless world. Pull me out the train wreck. I'll burn the ashes. I'll check the reactions out. Not ready to die.
Ah, this is so good. I'm crying again.
Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out.
Oh man, I have never cried this much over a dance. This was brilliant. Oh man, a lot. What? More people. That was so good.
Laying in the silence, waiting for the sirens.
That's Gianna.
Signs, 'Cause any signs I'm
I've seen her
alive
before.
still. I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? Should I pray? Yeah. To myself, to a God, to a Savior who can unbreak the broken, unsaid these spoken words, find hope in a hopeless. Pull me out the train wreck, unburn the ashes, uncheck the reactions out. Not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out the train wreck, pull me out.
This dance is
Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. You can say what you like, 'cause
It is so powerful.
I'm down on my knees and I need you to be my God, be my help, be a savior.
This is like so.
I said this reckless world. Pull me out the train wreck.
Wow. It's so cool to see different dancers doing it because it gets so different but still the same in a way.
Laying in the silence, waiting for the sirens.
I don't think I've seen her before.
Any signs I'm alive still. I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? Should I pray? Yeah. To myself, to a God, to a Savior who can
Wow.
unbreak the broken, unsaid these spoken words, find hope in a hopeless. Pull me out the train wreck, unburn the ashes, uncheck the reactions out. Not ready to die, not yet.
This is so cool because whoa!
Train wreck, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out.
I love this. This is a little bit different.
Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. You can say what you like, 'cause I wanna die for you. I'm down on my knees and I need you to be my God, be my help, be a savior who can.
Wow, she totally made it her own. That was so cool to see. And now there's a lot of people doing it. I'm like, whoa.
Laying in the silence, waiting for the sirens, signs, any signs I'm alive still.
They're so good.
I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey,
Like those twirls.
should I pray? Should I pray? Yeah. To myself, to a God, to a Savior who can unbreak the
I love the little
broken,
improv stuff they have in there.
unsaid these spoken words, find hope in a hopeless. Pull me out the train wreck, unburn the ashes, uncheck the reactions out. Not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out the train wreck, pull me out.
I love that they let them do their own stuff in there. Whoa, that's powerful.
Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. You can say what you like, 'cause I wanna die for you. I'm down on my knees and I need you to be my God, be my help, be a savior who can unbreak the broken, unsaid this reckless world. Pull me out the train wreck.
I love that they get to do their own stuff in the choreography. This is brilliant. Whew.
Laying in the silence, waiting for the sirens, signs.
I wish I could dance.
I'm alive still. I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? Should I pray? Yeah.
Wow, she's really good.
To myself, to a God, to a Savior who can unbreak the broken. I said these spoken words.
Oh my gosh. The shield now. Whoa.
Not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out, the train wreck. Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. Pull me out, pull me out.
Oh, it's so powerful.
You can say what you like, don't see I wouldn't die for you. I'm down on my knees and I need you to be my God. My help, be a savior who can unbreak the broken. I said this reckless world. Pull me out the train wreck.
Muchos goodies.
Laying in the silence, waiting for the sirens, signs.
Oh, she has really hard-hitting moves.
I'm alive still.
Wow.
I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? Should I pray? Yeah.
Oh, she's very
To
talented.
myself, to a God, to a Savior.
Oh, all those small movements. Oh, wow.
Unbreak the broken. I said these spoken words. Find hope in the hopeless.
Oh, she's very good at this popping, locking stuff.
Unburn the ashes. Unshed the reactions out. Not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out.
Whoa!
Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. Pull me out,
Oh, man.
pull me out, pull me out. You can say what you like, don't see I wouldn't die for you.
Whoa.
I'm down on my knees and I need you to be my God, be my help, be a savior who can unbreak the broken.
Oh, the shields are like not disappearing, and whoa, yeah. Oh my god, I miss dance so much. I haven't reacted to dance in a really long while. I haven't watched dance in a really long while. We talk years almost. Like, for real, this was... Oh man, Kaycee Rice, what are you? Who are you? What are you doing to me? Like, serious. When she started dancing with all that passion, all that emotion, all that anger, all that exhaustion, all that inner... I just started bawling. I've never cried that much over a dance in my life. I just felt like, I don't know, it looked so freeing. I don't know, to just get all that anxiety and stress and emotion out of your system, out of your body. That's why I wish I could dance, because I would need that outlet to get it out of me, because it gets stuck inside of me. So when I saw her doing that, I just felt, I wish I could dance. Because like, it's so much power, it's so much, I feel like after dance like that you can release it. Like, that choreography was gold, so freakishly good, and such talented dancers, all of them, and I love that they got to do their own thing in the choreography. It was so cool. I cannot pick anyone who was better than the other, because everyone was amazing. Kaycee touched me the most, probably because it was her choreography, so she knew it so good, so she could put all the emotions in there. The choreography was her emotions. But I'm so impressed with all the other dances. I don't know how many classes, if this was in one class they learned this, because it was so much raw emotions and so much no thinking what should I do next. It was just like go for it, and the emotions were there and the movements were there. So I'm so impressed by them because they exuded so much emotion and such perfection. So I can't understand if this is in one sitting they learned this. I don't know, but this was so good, and thank you so much for bringing me back to dance. I love dance. Let me know your favorite dance and I might react to it. I like these really extraordinary dances and really odd dances. I really like when it's odd, you know. Love it. Please subscribe to this channel so don't miss any of my reactions, and to Petra's Playground. But even more important, always keep being you, keep being amazing, and keep doing what you love. And I will see you next time. Bye.